Anyway, what's up, y'all? It's like 9 in the morning. And I'm about to go, well, hello? Hold on, I can't hear you. What's up?
This is right here. I was trying to get in touch with you yesterday. They postponed that to tomorrow. I told Monday until Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah, for the inspection.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, the other day they couldn't make it Monday, but they'll come in Thursday.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay. Now, did you, Chris, did you ask Chris to cut this lawn?
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna say.
Yeah, I'm coming to mow it right now. Is it high?
That back door is.
Yeah. Well, I'm coming to mow it right now, so.
Okay, the gate is unlocked and everything.
Alright. I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay, talk to you later.
Anyway, that's my tenant I evicted. And for those of you people out there who want to say negative things, you know, there's not really much use in saying something negative because it doesn't do any good. You know? If you want to be a good person in this world, you should say positive things, you know what I mean? You can whine all day about your problems, but you just try to fix them and you try to make them better, you know? Like, I can whine about being fat, but it's not going to do anything. So you just try to make life better as you can, you know? Anyway, I'm going to mow this yard, and for those of y'all who say I'm crazy, well, you know, I did the best I could in life, and if it wasn't good enough for you, screw you. I don't know. I got my lawnmower in the back, and I'm driving. Oh boy. I could have paid somebody, but I figure, you know, I save $15 here, save $15 there, and, you know, just be doing a little better than I am. So right now, like, I'm not doing that great. Like, I'm okay, but I'm not okay, you know what I mean? Like, I'm just, like, barely getting by. If I hadn't had savings, I would be screwed. So, basically right now I'm trying not to dip into my savings, so I haven't bought much of anything. Even though I want to buy, like, a new TV, and I want to buy a lot of things, but hell, I want to buy, I want to buy a new life, you know? Like, I was thinking about enabling fan funding so that I could, maybe people could help me buy a new life, you know what I mean? Like, I mean, obviously someone has tried to hurt me here, or kill me here, you know? I've basically witnessed them kill my family, torture me. So, I don't know, screw it. Anyway, so, I'm super fucking hot. And, yeah. I just mowed the yard, in my rent house. It was pretty damn tall, and I'm covered in grass, and it sucks. But I gotta go check my other rent house, and then we'll be done for today, and I can go take a shower. Yeah. How are you today?
How are you?
Fine.
Bag of ice, please, sir. How much is it, Sandwich? I'll pay for that. You're right. You give me a mop, I get it. The mop over there, bro. Excuse me, you got a mop? No, I dropped mine. You doing all right, man? Mop is good over. Mop. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Can I have those boxes? Yeah? Cool.
All you want.
Thank you.
Oh, we're well. This time
Fine, how are you?
Hello.
Can I have a pack of Newport 100s in a box?
Newport 100.
Yep.
Anything else?
No, that'll be it.
585.
I've been out there mowing yards. I'm like, oh. I try to do it in the morning. Do I have to sign? No. Thank you.
Get a 6 on 6.
I'll come back and get the other one. Will you? Okay. Just throw them back there. I'm gonna go on a block and I'll put some stuff on. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. We got boxes. There's a door I painted last week. It's much better than it was. It was terrible. Yep, vines. God, that yard is terrible. It's horrible. About sick of this shit. They need to get their own damn mower. I figure that all-wheel drive should be good, right?
Oh yeah.
I'm like, let me make sure it's adjustable. I'm gonna look at it. Should be adjustable, right? Yeah. Is this adjustable? It's adjustable on the back.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I just want to make sure. What's the difference? 449, 190 cc's, 22 inch.
I can do a comparison for you, but I don't really know. It's not.
It looks like the same mower. I have no idea.
Probably just one step up on the model, like they make. It has more.
I got a new mower. So hopefully it doesn't fly out. Heavy mower.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yeah, I got a mower. A new mower. should have got a more lightweight one. But I don't know. I'll live. What's up, y'all? So I'm at home. I tried my new lawnmower out. Didn't get any film of it because I was frying out in the heat. And it's okay. I'm not sure I like it. I'll have to like play with it some more. I don't like it. I don't know. I wanted one with a rabbit on the side, but I kind of just bought one. I was like, oh, whatever, dude. Yeah, so I got a lawnmower. And I'm taking antibiotics. Oh boy. And I have Cipro. You know, this crap cost me $200 for this. 200 freaking bucks.